Hello, today we will guide you through how to leverage on Trading 212 CFD. In this walkthrough, you'll learn exactly where to see the leverage offered on any CFD instrument in Trading 212, so you can understand your margin exposure before you trade. Start by opening app.trading212.com in your browser or launching the Trading 212 app. Once you're on the platform, look toward the top of the screen for the search field. Click Search, then begin typing the ticker or the name of the instrument you want to analyze. Pick the correct result from the list to open its page. On the instrument page, click either Buy or Sell. Don't worry, this action simply opens the order ticket. It does not place a live trade. The order ticket is where you can preview key trade parameters without committing any funds. Next, click Order Details on the ticket. This expands a panel that summarizes everything important about the prospective order. Here is where you'll find the leverage value for that symbol. It will appear as a ratio, such as 1:5, 1:10, or 1:20. That ratio shows how much exposure you control relative to your capital. For example, with 1:10 leverage, a 100-unit margin controls 1/10 in units of market exposure. Order details may also show the margin requirement, spread, and other costs. Use this view to double-check what your position would entail before taking any action. Take a moment to consider what the leverage means for risk. Leverage magnifies both gains and losses. A small market move can lead to an outsized change in your profit or loss. Make sure the figure you see aligns with your risk tolerance and any regulatory limits that apply to your account type and region. If you want to compare leverage across different symbols, simply back out to Search and repeat the same steps. Find the instrument, click Buy or Sell to open the ticket, open order details, and read the leverage value. Doing this side by side helps you understand how leverage can vary between indices, forex pairs, commodities, and equities. That's the full process. Go to Trading 212, use Search, select your instrument, open the ticket with Buy or Sell, open order details, and check the leverage. Review this information carefully before you decide on any trade. CFDs are complex instruments and come with a high risk of rapid loss due to leverage, so only proceed if you fully understand how they work. Thanks for watching, and stay informed as you trade.